Chief Minister Okram Ibobe admits poor ratio of doctors and patients in the state, which is 1:970. Campaigning in Thamaiban and Thongju by polls end this afternoon. Violence erupts between Congress and BJP workers in Thongju. Gaikhangam urges people to work towards peaceful and harmonious coexistence and learn from the past mistakes. And women vendors sustain serious injuries as old railing collapses in Singjamai Bazaar. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Laitangwa Monica with the top stories. Chief Minister Okram Ibobe Singh today inaugurated International Conference on Palliative Care, Palikon, at City Convention Centre, Palace Compound. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister said the ratio of doctors and patients in the state is 1:970 and that of nurse and patient is 1:270. Okram Ibobe also maintained that there are many poor patients in the state and the government is paying special attention to healthcare despite financial constraints. He also added that the state getting the award of low infant mortality rate recently is a very good example of excellent healthcare. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam lauded the organizers for hosting such an international conference which will give benefit to the region in general and the state in particular. Video CD of Palikon and souvenir were also released on the occasion.
Investment in the health sector, ours in the global arena, that is in the world, whatever resource available for any country or maybe for any state, how much percentage they are investing in the health sector. With all difficulty, whatever resource available for our state, that maybe in terms of GDP, we are investing 3% against the entire nation's invest 1.02 for the entire nation.
Campaigning ended for Thongju and Thamaiban Assembly constituency by-election at 4 this evening. With the day of poll draws nearer, report of violent incidents are coming in both from Thongju and Thamaiban Assembly constituencies. Fights broke out between workers of Congress and BJP last night in Thongju constituency, and the incident occurred last night around 10 at Singjamai Wangma Khetri Lekai near Okram Leirak in Thongju. Sources said the Congress workers were campaigning in the area around 9:30 p.m. when some BJP workers also came to campaign there. Sources also said that the BJP workers asked to move the vehicles already parked on the road near Okram Leirak. When some women asked to wait for a while, they started using abusive words. People of the area asked the BJP to clarify the matter.
Masana mo ni inda na khota na tawra abani nang nupi nang nakari khangdana nang driver oibra khopra nupi nang kai khangi na ngasai yololi pa angang do madu sengdok ta ba chungya yaroi mana dmai tawri ngai marak sida angang jing je thola aga tongna basida makhoi gi marak ta gi kanano haibadi ai khangdre aduga nukhoi ka yam phauge nongmai salaga satora si yam phaubra si satoga kapura kana hai
adu ai di cham na gari ji cycle tongna si adu akhoi chapam do hoi Fazana like I literally cannot not and Chachin Hibene. Adu mana, I want the warning tore. My deadline on the Pishalamigo, Masi cannot over the net. I want the Haying not like a boat where the ID Lalan, I put on my own the deadline Pishalame. So one of the things I might be in the Logi Mando, Maduma Tashina Bishojica, Sigil and Bisala Kudima, a boycott of Wibas, a way Linger Firin.
BJP workers, on the other hand, clarified that the allegations made against them are baseless. Speaking to media at the press meet, BJP worker KSH Thoiba said Congress workers intentionally blocked their way twice or thrice during an election rally held last evening. Altercation broke out between the two sides, but there was no excessive brawl as claimed. Thoiba also added that they want a free and fair election.
Campaign laksaba matamda akhoi mangda hana satuna leramba Congress workers singi gari mayam na lambi thachan beleramdagi akhoi gi chu lambi thabiu sachage makhoi gi tumak chatpiu hairobane adubu madugi onet tamena bada yamna ngami natraga akhoi mangai haibigi mawongda kahenba wahai wata sinarakpadagi samsamna madugi damukta ningai sangdana thokiba natana akhoi gi maikai dagi karigumba ahenba thogok amata natraga akhoi na damka tawduna natraga ahenba sakti uttuna makhoi bu kihen khenba adungma Kai Miam the Palm, the total of Taiki, my Kay, Toki Late, Macoina, quite the city batung lava, ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯃꯔꯥꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ
Congress candidate in Thongju, Baipol Bijoy Koisum, has categorically stated that Thongam Biswajit Singh, who was disqualified as an MLA, is not the person to decide whether Bijoy is a good or bad person. Only people can decide. Speaking to news persons at his residence at Old Lambulan, Bijoy Koisum said if he is elected as the representative of Thongju, he will try to achieve economic development in the constituency. Referring to yesterday's brawl between the Congress and BJP workers at Singjame Wangma Khetri Lekai, Bijoy said the attack by BJP workers was undemocratic.
Hantak lakadurbi election si thoidongna yamna maruiba amanina logjai. Sarkarna pigiba commitment sing adu yarun khai 100% pangthokna bo honajagani. Sarkar gi laiba fund sing adu phajana ningthi jana utilize torga thongjo kendra da lambi maruina lambi fahanba ising fahanba the drain tongan ba low singubagi thabuk khudimukta hena fahanbagi vision da hek thabuk tawjagani yarun khai Thongju Kendra si municipal area singhanaba honabagi agenda ama aigi wakhalda lai.
Member of BJP Election Committee Thongju Assembly Constituency Thongam Tilananda slammed the directives of UNACO Managing Director Ningombam Irabanta and his associates to the staff of UNACO to vote for Congress and hoist Congress flag at their houses or face suspension from job. Speaking at a press meet at the residence of BJP candidate T.H. Biswajit, Tilananda maintained that election is a very vital component of democracy and threatening the voters is not a democratic step. Alleging that Irabanta came to BJP stronghold and threatened to vote only for Congress in camera, Tilananda termed open involvement of an educational institution in election as unfortunate. Tilananda added that a complaint will be filed to the Election Commission of India.
Mana Irabanta amasung magi miyoisingna tawriba thabak thorum mayam asi mathong huktaba malemda amat tawnadaba amasung miyoibagi democratic right mat pathabak ngaktane ado UNACO gumba khoi institute miyamna yam thajanriba angangsing semgani laik laisu tamhangane na tawriba siguma institute amana election yam open yaudana yam bias leba thabak tawdana akoi leiriba prajasing Thongju prajasing marakta khaibung tanan balsi yam laibak thibani nakan amarom dadi Thongju gi miyam singna koi UNACO si condemn tawhum thoina khal.
People yesterday witnessed the Chief Minister laughing uncontrollably during an election campaign in Thongju. Okram Ibobi Singh will, like never before, uncontrollably burst into laughter at the campaign held at Kakwa Lelando Lampak last evening. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi had a hard time controlling his laughter while Nambol MLA and Lokan Mok, BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thongnaujam Chauba, who happens to be his close opponent in many elections. Speaking at the election campaign, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi once again assured the people of development in Thongju Assembly constituency if they elect Congress candidate Bijoy Koisum. Okram Ibobi also said special attention will be paid to the constituency to make the development works neglected by the former MLA in his 3.5-year tenure.
Sahi umga tha tare tam pe chwa state da Thongju Kendra da tawrami ba phibam lambi gi thongi awat apa mayam si sum yeng jarubda yamna akoi masidai da special attention nama tawraga tawdragadi Thongju Kendra masigi lemhoriba sahi amaga tha ani humje Thongju Kendra gi halam lai mosing mai bin sene mayam gi seva phangan biu akoi sarkar gi maikai dagi het angam bangai keno tawraga akoi mayam gi seva tawdagi haiba ai wafum kharchi thamjarga ai faida sum tehanjarge jai.
Deputy Chief Minister, who also attended the election campaign, reiterated that BJP is a communal party and does nothing other than accusing Congress.
BJP character, BJP ki nungi oiba adugo saktam mado khasik buba hore. Asingamba divisive oiba, communal oiba, exclusive oiba, inclusive oidaba adigamba wakalon leiba party se India में तो मैंने पूरा कोई कोई तो लेबर तारा कभी lebaga se mang ta na ka gabani.
Voting will be held on the 21st of this month for both the constituencies. Political parties are campaigning in full swing for the last minute, trying to persuade people to vote for them. Election campaigns were held at various places for BJP candidates for the Thangmaiban Assembly constituency, Khumukcham Joy Kisan Singh, in the morning. After the campaign, BJP candidate KH Joy Kisan said the by-election is a fight between Congress party's muscle and money power and public's love and affection.
Deputy CM na yam toina panba disqualify taba MLA ni yam panna pabado masas deida koi gi yamna nungai jeda bopok mali mawanda chief minister si bina constitution na makoi de piba power do thugai daga aran ba thong do akoi handa ki thangmi ban praja myam na akoi matang sida chap chana makoi de khangal lagani congress ki money power muscle power se purap thing amuktang handa ki by election se maithi ba piraga akoi Thangoi Bansu Tongjo Prazamiam Punamana, Congress Aranbasi, Chumtoga, Anowa Sasan, Manipoda, saying Changba, Niamnam, Masik Maleva Sasanama Purana Binisia.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today inaugurated week-long Kwame Ekta Week or National Integration Week at 1st Manipur Rifles Battalion Banquet Hall. The event was attended by ministers, MLAs, top civil and police officials. Addressing the gathering, Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam said the week is observed in connection with the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. The week will be observed with a view on fostering and reinforcing the spirit of communal harmony across the country. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh said former Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, sacrificed her life in safeguarding the unity of the nation. Taking example of Operation Blue Star against the Khalistan movement of Punjab in 1984 and action against Mizo National Front in Mizoram in 1966, Chief Minister said Indira Gandhi courageously faced all the issues threatening the unity of the country. He said younger generation needs to remember the former Prime Minister. As part of the event, all the attendees took pledge on national integration.
Indira GFC, like Paxi, a Punba integrity, Singa Vayadaba, compromise the Wayarway Haiba, Adugumba, Sapnairava, Indira Gitanatana, international well known to be a Manim Hase, Mama, Laiba, Majati Gitamta, Mapun Sipova Katoki, Singadaba, Adugumba, Leader Maniaduna, Quay Masip Hova, Indira Sisu, Ningsingana, Equina, Masi. Lepaksin Batungna, Hapta Masukna, Kwame Ekta, Diverse Palan Haidana, Quay Ta Matumna celebration, Tauri Basini.
Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam urged the people to take right step for a peaceful and harmonious coexistence in future with lessons learned from the past mistakes. Speaking at the closing function of the 4th Tribal Cultural Festival held under the sponsorship of Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India and Tribal Research Institute, Manipur today, Gai Khangam reiterated that culture and tradition play a major role in the identification of a community and it is people's responsibility to preserve and promote them. The Tribal Cultural Festival, which began yesterday at Tribal Research Institute Complex, Chingmairong, concluded with the presentation of songs and dances of various tribes living in the state.
Festival this is my day, this is the day that I should participate.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh is likely to attend the swearing-in ceremony of Nitish Kumar-led new government in Bihar. Ibobi Singh, who is leading a Congress government in Manipur for the 3rd term, will be leaving Imphal tomorrow to attend the function as invited by Nitish Kumar. Nitish Kumar will be sworn in at Gandhi Maidan in Patna at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Two cadres of UTLA were killed and one injured in a fight between two factions of the outfit. Sources told Impact News that the fight occurred between SK-UTLA and Robert UTLA last night around 8:30 at Laikot Khul under Nungba Police Station in Tamenglong district. The dead are identified as Robinson from Churachandpur and Roman from Kaimai, and the injured is Thangboy from Ngamunpai village. As part of the Child Line Se Dosti, a week-long national campaign, a painting competition on abuse and violence against children was held today at the conference hall of Manipur Mahila Kalyan Samiti, Dulaland. The painting competition was organized by Child Line Imphal. Around 40 students from children homes of Imphal East and Imphal West districts participated in the competition. Speaking to Impact News, Center Coordinator of Child Line Imphal and Kiran said awareness level among the general public regarding abuse and violence against children is very low.
Masi mario pandam di 8 million dose hai. Akoi million dose koi million ki friends child line friends marup se million da sandokpa my friend Komba, Chilanchi, Matan work to Wongamde, other Maggie, Lady community sector, the police sector, any different sector, my am the Aquina Marupo Minaga, Hoi late lab announcing at the say abuse announcing or so. Some was in the Coin Matin Pano, the Monta, Sumata at home to Pantok 7.
Thangjam Rajendra, owner of Hotel Lanchenba, provided aid to Swadhar Shelter home run by Environment and Economic Management Association (IMA) for the destitute people at Kaiku in Imphal East. The aid included rice, pulses, cooking oil. The 43rd Foundation Stone Day of Manipur University was today observed by Manipur University Students' Union and Pangal Political Forum at MIMS Hall, Manipur University. The university, formerly known as Jawaharlal Nehru University PG Center, was inaugurated by first Muslim Chief Minister of the state, late Muhammad Alimuddin. Flowers were offered at the foundation stone led by the late Chief Minister on November 19, 1972. Giving keynote address, PPF spokesperson M.I. Khan said all should appreciate and acknowledge the initiative taken by Muhammad Alimuddin to establish the Manipur University. Veteran politician O Joy said the state needs liberal leader like Muhammad Alimuddin.
University as a Hodoputana Maru, Pakala Matamashi Manunda, Hosidi Lady Regional Institute of Medical Science, RIMS, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur Public Service Commission, Asini. A Koyakona Visit, 13 August Haraga, Peter de Haina Kangariba, be taken the German Tangal General Party town the Harkim from Masila. 13 August Senator Yaman Yana Mode, Yanham Nimana. Adu Mamang the Karamtana said the Sangbaki, the Nasanga de Madame de la Hobogi, Mafamni, Sangunwen. Masi Tauramji, Hono Kana Baroki, Home Ministry Tingi, Madu Taudanava, a telegraphically on the high, Adu Madu Yadi, Shedu, Doga Manatogi, Madam D. Adu Moina, Amuka, Mangamda, Simis and Sapai Pati, Akanaman, Peter from the Zapati, Yam Favanina Hargan and Namtok.
A woman vendor sustained serious injuries when an old railing of a shop collapsed at Singjumei Bazaar today. The incident occurred this afternoon around 1. The victim is identified as Ninthausam Bilasini Devi, 65 years, from Singjumei Okram Lekai. She suffered serious head injuries and was rushed to Jennings. Women vendors have urged the government and the shop owners to dismantle the old buildings in the market as soon as possible.
Singjamai bazaar ki phibam je atuki machik phatte haibase loi khangabani adu sarkar namda masi yengpidara tumina leirei adubu ranai gi tukani haina leiri base masi gi phibam phalakta basina masira akai atoi bai masai da yawba taragadi masi bisi mina thorpa taragadi sarkar na lobi dori bra daita natraga mapuna lobi dori bra ritin toilet leitabagi imai benjing na kaya awa ba khangi ba masi yamna suki matik phibam choi haibase sarkar na tumina leithokpa je khoi taba leiba khoi yengba ngamjaraktre adura athuba matamda sarkar na basi mieng changbiu.
Police continue its security measures in various parts of Imphal to prevent untoward incidents during the Sangai festival. A team of Imphal West Police Commando conducted combing operation at Chingmerong Tangkhul Avenue near Classic Grande this morning. DSP Commando Soibam Sachidananda, Lamphel SDPO Saklemba Rajkumar and Commando Bazaar Unit OC Thangampao led the operation. At least 10 persons without proper identification paper were picked up for further verification at Lamphel Police Station. They were later released. A police team led by Imphal East Commando OCP Achoba apprehended a member of a gang identified as Mohammad Habibur Rahman alias Ithem of Yairipok Ningthong Nai, son of Mohammad Abdul Hay from Mantripuki yesterday. Mohammad Habibur Rahman along with Mohammad Harish and Mohammad Kurban from Kairang and Mohammad Mustafa from Yairipok is involved in an extortion from a non-Manipuri living in Mantripuki and threatened them by closing their godown. One mobile phone, one fake gun and one motorcycle without registration number was seized from his possession. Mohammad Harish, Mohammad Kurban and Mohammad Firoz are also arrested after Mohammad Habibur revealed their whereabouts. The indefinite ban called by Kuki Students Organization KSO Technopol block along the Imphal Moreh section of National Highway 102 has immensely affected the border threat. Vehicles loaded with goods are stranded in the border town of Moreh as all the vehicular movements are restricted. Shopkeepers at the commercial hub Namphaalong market are waiting for traders as all the vehicles from Imphal are blocked. The indefinite ban was imposed on November 12 in protest against the shifting of Diploma in Elementary Education 2-year examination center from Technopol BRC Study Center of IGNOU outside the district. Secretary of Mahut R.K. Dinesh has stated that developing a city development plan alone will not help in developing Imphal city. Speaking exclusively to Impact News on the sidelines of the second round meeting of the support team of citizen consultation and preparation of city development plan for Imphal Smart City at the conference hall of Imphal Municipal Corporation, R.K. Dinesh said various schemes and projects are on the pipeline to develop Imphal city.
Smart City Lairi, Amrut Lairi, Atagi Housing for All Lairi, Akogi Yum Lajadaba Singi, Ada Sigi Scheme Mayamse, Koi Loina Doptel Tauraga, Best Magi effective Oinaba, Koi Mayamse converts Taunabu Honazari, Ada Akoi Sina Kogi Urban Development Ki Makada Ore, Sida Natana, Akogi Atai Department Singasu Tanaraga, Akogi Lajariba Department Sing Scheme Mayamse, Loina converts Taunaraga, Koi Lajariba Karasina, most efficient Oiba, most productive Oiba solution Pangnabu Honazari.
A book authored by Dr. M. Iboton entitled Development Perspective and Anthology of Essays were released yesterday at Manipur University Vice-Chancellor Committee Room. M. Iboton is the former Dean of Social Science, Manipur University and former visiting professor of Tunisia University, United States. MU Vice-Chancellor Professor H.N.K. Sarma said the book will be of great help to the scholars and research students of the state. A 3-day workshop on peace and meditation for women group in Manipur, organized by Center for Peace Education Manipur, began today at Amity Hall, Adim Jati Siksha Ashram, Chingmirong. Leaders of various women organizations took part in the workshop and discussed the role of women in bringing peace in the society. The workshop is organized as part of Peace Accounts on Tour project, which aimed at restoring peace in the different parts of the world affected by conflict through workshops and training programs under the sponsorship of Institute for Cultural Relation, German Federal Foreign Office.
Women singi role asi santi purakna bagi damaktada yamna chauna lei habisi akhoi aduna nupi singsina any conflict leiba matamda nupi singsina oina mang thangaga ngasai gi khanna ba chaina bisi moina ngak thokpasi ayamba moina tawbnena aduna peace ki techniques asisu karmaina tawraga khanna ba chaina bisida nupi singsina mediation tawba habidi khanna ba ani singduda moina pusil aga chamthokna na basi nupi singsina hena khodong chagane habisi khanjaduna nupi singda koi train tawjaning mane.
A 3-day consultative cultural program on peaceful coexistence among indigenous people of Manipur will be organized by Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalup Amkil from tomorrow at GM Hall. Amkil National Identity Protection Committee NIPCO, Amkil and Iray Park Inad Chanura Loinasin Lon Ichul will jointly organize the 3-day event. Amkil President Panjobam Sakhi said people should remain alert against forces that are trying to disintegrate Manipur.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯡꯇꯝ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯡꯂꯧꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯡ ꯍꯣꯟꯅ ꯎꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯊꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯆꯤꯡꯇꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯅ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤꯒꯅꯤ.
IJL President T. Ibimcha said IJL has taken various programs to strengthen the integrity among the people of the state. She appealed to the people not to call ban and block it during the consultative and cultural program and requested the people to take part in the event.
Koi Manipura yamna phajana leiramba singamadi tamgi mayam amji manaugi adugumlaba nungsinabagi mari asi tanna thanaba yade haiduna sing adagi maitei pangal maitei aikoi khutimak singa siga ma magi nat ki jagoi singa si utlakanda nungsinabagi lipulla do loisinbagi thorumasida collection program ti leijai jines da kau bidiba singa sina singi lamdagi lakturiba isinau singa madi thorum lakpa singda madu mating pangbiduna madu makomthopiu haibiduma thamjage.
The annual dance festival Sansenba or Gosta Astami was held today at Sri Sri Govindaji Temple like in the past. The festival is celebrated every year on the 8th day of Manipuri lunar month with young boys and girls performing the dance wearing beautiful costume of the Lord Krishna. The tradition has been followed since the days of Manipur kings. Devotees thronged Sri Sri Govindaji Temple to witness the performance.
Salilazda angang chama ki matakta lai kumsi so chama yakin muna cheba siyawi aduna yamim kai masidi Govinda ki bi khajaba nungai bai du oi Govinda ki asugumba sanjem bagi thabase sanjemba akai gosa sami ki thabase matung su chathakini ad mayam thawa yobiyu.
Now news from the world of sports. NYTHC Okram Chutek, BPYC Basikong and SWC Kongman won their respective match in Ngangkham Boboi Memorial 2nd Division Football League. NYHTC Okram Chutek defeated BSU Kairao 2-1 in the first league match. In the second league match, BPYC Basikong defeated PRYA Kundrapam 2-0, while SWC Kongman defeated PYPC Pumdongbang 2-0 in the third leg. 8 teams are competing in the tournament organized under the aegis of Imphal East District Football Association at Social Worker Congress Ground, Kongman. Patsoi Army Camp and T.H. Bira Chandra Football Academy, Taubungkhok Makhalekai today organized an exhibition football match at Academy's football ground. T.H. Bira Chandra Football Academy, Taubungkhok defeated 12 Bihar Regiment by 3-1. The match, played under the aegis of 9th Sector Assam Rifles, was attended by IGPS Manglim Jao, 12th Bihar Regiment Colonel U.S. Randhawa and LDA Project Director L. Bhagaton along with Football Academy members. An exhibition polo match was held today under the 9th Sector Assam Rifles by Patsoi Army Camp and T.H. Birachandra Football Academy Taubungkhok Makhalekai at the ground of the academy. 12th Bihar Regiment defeated T.H. Birachandra Football Academy Taubungkhok 4-0 in the exhibition match. Brigadier V.T. Matthew, Major Bharat and Imphal West Commando DSP T.H. Krishna Tombi presented gifts to the winners. The 12th Manipur University Inter-College Archery Tournament concluded today with Biramangol College bagging the first, second and third in 50-meter compound event. KP College bagged the first and third place in 70-meter recurve, while Biramangol College bagged the second place. In Olympic round, NG Mani College, Regional College and Standard College bagged the first, second and third place respectively. The 26th Ngangbi Maharani Dhanamanjuri Invitation Kang Tournament kicked off today at Manipur Kangsang Khuman Lampak Sports Complex. AKU Nupi Kangkhut, Thangmaiban Trust, Nikon Nupi Kangkhut, Nilakuthi 16-6 in the first match of the tournament played in Group B League match. Group A comprises of Jiribam Kangkut, Yaiskul Kangkut, Hailakandi Kangkut, Silchar and Hojai Kangkut, while Group B comprises AKU Kangkut Thangmaiban, Kasar Kangkut and Nikon Kangkut Nilakuthi. The tournament is organized by Manipur Kang Association. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Iwobi admits poor ratio of doctor and patient in the state, which is 1:970. Campaigning in Thamaiban and Thongju by-polls ends this afternoon. Violence erupts between Congress and BJP workers in Thongju. Daikangam urges people to work towards peaceful and harmonious coexistence and learn from the past mistakes. And women vendors sustain serious injuries as old railing collapses in Singjamei Bazaar.